Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my garage. Same opener as it was before. I really love that DC belt drive motor a lot. It's 139.57915, manufactured of August 10th, 2018. I know I put a unique light bulb with jewels on it. I know it's kind of a unique way to do it on the garage door opener. The jewels are orange, but not the ones with the not the one with the on the other side of the garage door opener. Those light bulbs are actually here. Those jewels are actually green. As long as they're nice and bright, we can have it. Well, I just don't want them to be too dim. The light bulbs. Okay. We're not gonna be using the keypad or either the wall button, just only the remote. Without further ado, now let's open the garage door from the inside and then close it from the inside. Okay. And here we go. Now let's close it. That's my neighbor's dogs outside. Okay. Now let's open the garage door again. And here we go. It's my neighbor's dogs barking, but don't worry about that. Now let's close the garage door from the outside. And here we go. Okay, now let's open the garage door one more time. I love this garage door opener a lot. I really like it how those light covers look like. Okay. Now let's open the garage door one more time. Okay, there's the remote that I've been using. It was actually manufactured of September 15th, 2016. I got this remote programmed to the this opener. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching the video. I know I had unique light bulbs on the garage door opener. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. See you later.